Hi, I'm Gene. Question. Does it make sense to assign story points to individuals? My recommendation is do not do that. Here's why. When a team comes together and engages in a planning poker exercise, it produces some arbitrary number of story points that indicates size and complexity of a backlog item in scope. Now, the backlog item belongs to the whole team, not to an individual. Because if it was the latter, then why use story points in the first place? An individual could just use good old days and hours to identify how much of absolute time he or she would be required to get work done. Now, if you engage an individual in a story point estimation exercise, and this person knows ahead of time that the backlog item they estimate would eventually belong to them, there is a probability, there is a risk that this person may end up what's called gaming the system by inflating the number of story points they assign to a backlog item because they know it will belong to them. And perhaps by estimating it higher, they will gain more credibility, or they will just look better in front of others because they have completed more work. So the recommendation would be to steer away from this approach. Do not assign story points to individuals on a team.